Hey, today I'm just going to install some aftermarket side mirrors. I have a Suzuki King Quad. I'm not sure what other ATVs have, but mine already come pre-threaded with little brackets on both sides to attach the mirrors. The mirrors come with just a threaded stud on them. But I got two hands. Carefully hold it. And it just screws in. Got a jam nut in there, so once you get close, you might just have to get it in the position you want. Twist the jam nut. Then just take 14 mil wrench, hold it tight, and then just lock it down. You do the same on the other side. Your machine doesn't have that. It actually also comes with pipe clamps that are threaded for the end of the mirrors. Got them both installed in there now. I have to say they look pretty slick. Not too bad. Hopefully function just great on the trail. Anyway, get out there. Enjoy the ride, guys. Cheers.